Ever been in the middle of a critical task on your laptop, only to be rudely interrupted by a blue screen? This infamous blue screen of death, as it's often called, can be a source of great frustration and confusion. But what exactly causes this sudden halt in operations? The blue screen, or the official term stop error, is a safeguard mechanism that Windows uses when it encounters a critical error it can't recover from. It's a way of protecting your system from potential damage. So, what leads to this dramatic appearance? There are several causes, and we will dive into each one of them. The first culprit could be your hardware. Yes, the physical components of your laptop. This might include your hard drive, your RAM, or even your motherboard. Overheating can also cause a blue screen error. When hardware fails or is under stress, the operating system has trouble communicating with it. This communication breakdown triggers the blue screen. If you suspect a hardware issue, consider running a diagnostic check or seek professional help. The second cause is driver issues. Drivers are software that help your operating system communicate with the hardware. Outdated, corrupt, or incompatible drivers can lead to a blue screen. The solution? Regularly update your drivers and ensure they are compatible with your operating system. Thirdly, malicious software or viruses can also cause a blue screen error. These can infect your computer and corrupt your system files, leading to the dreaded blue screen. Always keep your antivirus software up to date and conduct regular system scans to keep these digital pests at bay. Finally, the fourth cause is problematic software. Sometimes, certain applications can cause system conflicts leading to a blue screen error. If you notice the blue screen appearing after installing a new application, it might be the cause. Now that we've identified the main causes, let's summarize the solutions. For hardware issues, run a diagnostic check or seek professional help. For driver issues, ensure your drivers are up to date and compatible with your operating system. To combat malicious software, keep your antivirus software up to date and conduct regular system scans. And lastly, for problematic software, consider uninstalling the application causing the conflict. Remember, the blue screen is not the end of the world. It's just your laptop's way of saying, hey, something's wrong here. With a little patience and the right solutions, you can get back to your tasks in no time. And that's it for today's topic. Remember, technology is our friend, even when it throws a blue screen our way. Stay savvy, stay safe, and keep exploring the digital world.